Okay, today we are going to learn how we can use our base 10 blocks, our tens and ones, to model adding. So I'm going to kind of teach you the tools that you're going to need to do this activity today. You're going to notice at the top of your page you have tens blocks, ones blocks. I've split the paper into place values, so our tens will go on this side, our ones will go on this side. And today we're going to be adding, so I'm going to have the addition symbol. Okay, and then down here in our two boxes where our final answers are going to go for how many ones and how many tens we have. I also want you to note that there is this bucket here that I'm going to talk about in a minute. And there is a trade box with some tens in it that I'm also going to talk about, okay? And you're also going to notice that there is a note here that we will also go over. So first things first is when this is your turn to do your work, you're going to need to read the directions at the bottom. It says model 12 plus 19. Then solve. Make sure to trade your ones for a 10 if necessary. Okay, so I know the first part is I need to model 12 plus 19. All right, so I'm first going to show 12. So I know a 12 is a 10. And then I'm going to need to get out two ones. So I'm going to drag that down a little bit more and get my two ones. So I have 12. And now I need to add 19. So I'm going to drag down this 10, and now I have 10. And now I need to make 19, so I'm going to need 9 ones. So I'm going to drag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I'm going to check to make sure I have 12. And then I have 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Awesome. So then I'm going to start. We always start when we're adding in the ones place. So here are my ones that I have, and I'm going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so I'm going to type 11 in my box. But, ooh, I have to look at this note. It says, if there are more than 9 ones, you need to do some trading. Oh, yeah, because in place value, each place value, the ones place value, the tens place value, and so on, can only have one digit. Right now, 11, that's 2 digits, so I can't have 2-digit numbers in my ones place. So I'm going to have to do some trading. The math word for this is called regrouping. So I'm going to regroup or trade some, and I'm going to trade them for a 10. So I'm going to trade 10 ones, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I know I have 11 ones, but I can't keep them all in the ones place. So I'm going to trade 10 by putting, my bucket is where I'm going to put my ones that I'm going to use to trade for a tens block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I put 10 in my bucket. So now that I have 10 in my bucket, I'm going to go over to my trade box. And because I had 10 ones, I can grab a 10 now. And I'm going to put it, I can't put it in my ones place value because it's worth 10. So I'm going to put it in my tens place value. So I'm going to put it up here. Okay, so I just regrouped a 10. So those 10 ones that I traded in my bucket, I put the 10 ones in, and I got out a tens block, which is also worth 10. And I was able to put in my tens place value. So now, if I go back, I have 1 plus nothing. I'd be able to type in an answer of 1. Okay. And now I'm going to see, okay, I had 1 10 and 2 10s, but now I have that third 10 that I just traded for and regrouped. So now I have 3 10s. So my final answer for 12 plus 19 would be 31. So what you'll have to do is you're going to have some problems modeling 15 plus 18, 17 plus 18, and there's going to be some more problems. But you're going to use what I just did by showing you how to first get out the tens and ones onto your place value mat, how to count to see how many ones you have. If there's more than 9, you have to do some trading or regrouping by putting them into the bucket and trading it for a 10, okay?